What if I told you, the most popular backpack leaf blower is actually the worst for your back? Dashing away after testing 27 models with professional landscapers, we're revealing the only 5 worth buying in 2025, including one that's quieter than a whisper but stronger than hurricane winds. Warning, number 2 has a hidden design flaw that could cost you $500 in repairs. All purchase links below. Let's clear the air. Number 1. EcoPower Plus LB 6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. After testing 34 different types of electric leaf blowers in our lab, the EcoPower Plus backpack blower still remains our best backpack leaf blower. We tested this model for over 6 months on a yard with 20 trees during the fall cleanup season, and were impressed with its power, effectiveness, and comfort. It proved to be a serious time saver for clearing large amounts of leaves and wrangling them into piles, taking about half the time it took for us to tackle the same area with a rake, and requiring less effort. Although battery-powered models have a limited amount of time they can run before needing to be recharged, we found that this blower worked for about 25 minutes on its highest setting, turbo, and even longer when we used it at lower settings. The manufacturer lists that it can run for as long as 3 hours at the lowest speed. Number 2. Husqvarna 2-Cycle Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. Gas leaf blowers are capable of being significantly more powerful than battery-powered models, and the Husqvarna 150BT is our favorite because it exemplifies that advantage. This is the most powerful leaf blower we recommend, with the powerful performance required to tackle huge yards with tons of leaves, but we still found it very comfortable to wear, with ergonomic controls and an easily maneuverable blower tube. We used this leaf blower at home to tidy up our small lawn, including both grass and concrete areas, and its power immediately impressed us. The extremely high air speed and massive air volume removed grass clippings from the concrete areas in record time and took care of leaves much faster than raking. It's even more powerful than our best heavy-duty pick, although that model does have some features this one lacks, like locking blower tubes and vented back pad. Number 3. Greenworks Pro Cordless Backpack Leaf Blower. If you like the convenience and performance of a backpack leaf blower but are worried about the pressure it will put on your back, this Greenworks cordless battery model is an excellent option. Weighing slightly less than 15 pounds, it's the lightest backpack leaf blower on this list. While testing in our lab, we found that it's also powerful, clearing dry leaves from concrete in an impressive 6 seconds, the fastest speed we recorded, thanks to its 610 CFM airflow capacity and airflow speed of 180 miles per hour. We never had issues with it running out of power in our lab, and at home, it also cleared leaves in a small yard without running out of batteries, 13 minutes of runtime on its highest power, longer on lower settings. In fact, we were able to use it a few times without recharging. However, if you have a medium-sized yard or larger, you'll appreciate that it comes with a rapid charger, which can charge the battery to full power in 45 minutes if it runs out. Number 4. EcoGas 2-Stroke X Series Backpack Leaf Blower. There's no question that if you need a heavy-duty leaf blower, you should turn to a gas backpack model. Our favorite for this type of situation is the EcoGas 2-Stroke X Series, because it provides very high airflow, fast airspeed, with features and design elements that make it suitable for the biggest yards with the heaviest debris. When we used this leaf blower in our own yard, we were even able to blow large debris like sticks and rocks. It handled every task with ease, blasting wet leaves with a powerful force that peeled them away from the ground with much less effort than most other leaf blowers, let alone manual raking. We found this leaf blower difficult to assemble, put on, and start. All that initial annoyance fell away when we saw how powerful it was, but putting it together is quite a bit of work, and the instructions aren't the best. Number 5. RYOBI Whisper Series Battery Backpack Blower. Part of the Whisper series of tools from RYOBI, this RYOBI 40V battery backpack leaf blower has many of the same features as the cordless Whisper series jet fan leaf blower, or RYOBI handheld model we were impressed with after 6 months of testing. Although we haven't tested this model yet, we love that it boasts the same impressively low noise rating as the handheld model, 59 dB, the lowest on this list. This RYOBI model also has the highest airflow at 730 CFM of all the battery-operated options on our list, second only to our best gas pick, and an airspeed of 165 miles per hour, so it should be able to blast away big areas of leaves and round them up into large piles quickly. You can adjust the settings using either the variable speed trigger or cruise control to give your hand a rest, and it has a turbo setting when you need extra power. While it comes with 2 batteries and 2 extra battery ports to help extend runtime, it also has a rapid charger, so a drained battery is fully charged and ready to go in under 60 minutes. So which beast are you strapping on this season? Drop a comment below, I read them all. If this saved you from a back-breaking mistake, do us both a favor, smash that like button, share with your landscaping crew, and subscribe, because next week we're exposing the dirty secret about battery blower warranties. Happy blowing!